Have you ever bought a trading bot that looked amazing in the backtest, only to lose money when it went live? Trust me, you are not alone. The truth is, 95% of expert advisors fail in real trading, and today, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and how to avoid becoming part of that statistic. Make sure you stick around because at the end, I'll share something nobody talks about when it comes to trading bots, something that can literally change the way you trade. We all love a smooth equity curve, those perfect backtests where the account just grows steadily day after day. But here's the problem. Most backtests lie. Why? Because traders and even developers often over-optimize bots to fit historical data. That's called curve fitting. And it gets worse. Backtests usually ignore spread variation, slippage, execution delays, and even realistic market conditions. You are testing a version of reality that's just too clean. I've built many bots that looked great on paper and then fell apart the moment they hit a live chart. And that's when I realized a beautiful backtest doesn't mean anything if the logic can't survive what the market really throws at it. When your EA goes live, everything changes. Suddenly, spreads widen during news, orders split, brokers behave differently, and the market conditions shift. From trendy to choppy, low volume to spikes. But even worse, you change. You start second guessing, you close trades early, you increase the lot size after a loss. The problem isn't always the bot, sometimes it's the pressure. That's why live trading is never just about the logic. It's about how the bot behaves in chaos and how you behave under pressure. Have you ever had a backtest that looked amazing and completely collapsed in live trading? I've seen that story many times. If it's ever happened to you, tell me about it in the comments. And if you know someone who could use this video, feel free to share it with them too. You might save them a lot of headaches. If you have ever felt emotionally drained by trading, whether it's from managing everything manually or using bots that made you second guess every trade, I get it. That's why I started building my own EAs with a focus on simplicity and emotional clarity. They are easy to use, designed to feel stable even through market noise, and backed by hundreds of hours of testing and development. If that sounds like something you'd want to trade with, I'll leave you the links in the description. So, why do some bots survive when most fail? They are built on strong, proven risk management, not just optimized to impress on paper. To truly survive in live trading, a bot needs to be resilient across all market conditions, trending, ranging, volatile or flat. It needs to be emotionally sustainable so the trader can actually stick with it. And it must be designed with risk logic that protects the account without choking performance. One way I do this in my bots is by splitting trades into multiple positions, which allows me to combine winning and losing trades in a way that boosts the overall win rate while keeping risk under control. And then combining that with a tight trailing stop loss based on structure, not just fixed pips. It's not about avoiding losses completely, that's impossible. It's about managing risk intelligently and building bots that people can trust and stick with over time. Because here's the truth nobody talks about. Risk management is also emotional. If a bot makes you panic, it's already lost. So, backtests are helpful, but they are not the reality. Most bots fail not because of the logic, but because they are built for the tester, not for the trader. That's why I focus on building bots that are simple to use, emotionally reliable, and designed to handle the market and the trader at the same time. And hey, I'm curious. What's been the most frustrating part of your experience with trading bots, or even manual trading for that matter? Drop a comment below. Let's turn this into an actual conversation. I'd love to hear your story. That's a wrap for today. I'll see you in the next one.